Okay, so we're back after the drywaller. This is the new video. There will not be an inspection panel there permanently. Thank you. Rather happy about that. And this has been drywalled up over here. And he's going to come back Monday and sand. So all that's been cleaned up. Looks good. There's a real skill to this. I'm kind of envious of people that can just do things like that. Okay. And then this sealing patch around the vent system there. More or less pretty good. Some sanding to do Monday. Still some curing out that has to be done. You can see the different colors from the curing stages. And really that's it. So there's going to be some sanding, a final application of topping compound. We even did that. That's interesting. And and then after that, I suppose tile will begin. And happy days from there on out, I suppose. Okay, so that's where we're at. This is my custom switch that I installed myself. How about that? I feel so much better about things. Okay, that's that. Goodbye.